The eFIXX team has spent a significant amount of time working in the educational part of the industry, and we've seen the positive impact that working hard to create a nurturing and proactive environment can have on the lives of individual learners. With that in mind, we've created 2 categories in the eFIXX Awards to acknowledge the individuals and the institutions that are going that extra mile to deliver an exceptional experience and offer excellent support for learners in the electrical industry. The categories are Lecturer of the Year, which is proudly supported by Luden Palazzoli, and College of the Year, which is being sponsored by our good friends at Matrel. Let's just consider some of the things that we think would make a serious contender for Lecturer of the Year. We're looking for someone who makes a significant contribution to the organisation that they work for. Maybe they're always the first person to try new teaching techniques and technology, or maybe they're the one who always steps up to cover lessons when crises crop up. Maybe they're the one who motivates and inspires their learners with consistent classroom control, coupled with approachable warmth and humour. Maybe they're the ones who nail the syllabus to get good results, while also integrating new and applicable developments in the electrical industry into their delivery. Whatever the case, we're looking for that special person who is the embodiment of a proper teacher. They may work part-time or full-time or across multiple colleges and sites, and if you're working with several great members of staff, then you can nominate as many of them as you like. Learners can offer nominations as well, and you can even nominate yourself, although we will need references from employers, colleagues or students in order to support the judging process. Turning our attention to the College of the Year award, we're looking for a college that is constantly looking for ways to improve the standard of delivery and learning experience. A college that helps their learners see beyond the narrow confines of the classroom or their preconceptions of what an electrical career can entail. So, do you carry out external visits to relevant environments? Do you bring in guest speakers to motivate and inspire? Do you look beyond the curriculum to the current advances in the wider electrical industry? So do your learners know about EV chargers, the latest amendments to the regulations, or even smart technology? Do your learners look forward to theory-based lessons as much as their practical ones? Are your classrooms and workshops engaging and exciting? Do your learners progress to employment within the electrical industry? These are the kinds of things that set colleges apart and could make you a contender for College of the Year. If you're working for an institution that's part of a group of colleges, you should submit an entry for your college only, and if you're working for a private training organisation, we are sadly not taking entries for this type of institution in this round of awards, but stay tuned for 2023. We will make every effort for representatives of the judging panel to pay a visit to shortlisted colleges in person in order to give as thorough a judgment as possible, and as such your college must be located in the UK. The College of the Year Award and Lecturer of the Year Award are separately considered, and so they will not necessarily both be awarded within the same institution, although it could happen if they are both the exceptional entry. We know that times are tight for FE, so there's no cost attached for entry to either award, and the entry deadline for both categories is the 14th of January 2022. So, the countdown is on and the deadline is looming. So if you're a learner, a colleague or a manager at an institution you think is worthy of the title College of the Year, or you know the person who should get Lecturer of the Year, then get your nomination completed. Simply Google eFIXX Awards and navigate to the correct section of our website to fill in the relevant form, and your nomination will be entered for consideration. We're really looking forward to seeing how colleges and lecturers are meeting the needs and beyond of the future captains of our industry, and seeing who will be crowned College and Lecturer of the Year 2022.